In today's video, we will continue to share on business management concepts. Join us in this learning journey.
At a pivotal moment in time, our world narrates a tale of neglect through every breath of air, drop of water, and piece of earth. Unsustainable practices have scarred our planet, igniting a crisis affecting us all. The evidence is unmistakable, from smog-covered cities to plastic-filled rivers leading to our oceans. Our daily choices have pushed our environment to the brink. Yet, amidst this urgent challenge, lies our opportunity for change. By recognizing the impact of our actions, we can shift towards a narrative of hope and transformation, showing that simple steps can mitigate this crisis and foster sustainability. Embracing the urgent call of our planet, we find hope in the power of simple changes. Recycling transforms waste into new beginnings, while green energy sources like solar panels and wind turbines reduce emissions and sustain more than they take. Even small acts, such as repairing leaks and choosing efficient appliances, contribute significantly towards a sustainable lifestyle. Supporting eco-friendly brands casts a vote for sustainability, nurturing a market that values our planet's health. These steps, collectively, trigger a ripple effect, empowering communities to act for the present and future generations, marking our path towards a greener tomorrow. Committing to a journey towards sustainability, we catalyze a transformation for a healthier planet. This movement extends beyond environmental benefits, fostering a world where future generations thrive in harmony with nature. Communities powered by green energy, where recycling and conservation are integral, exemplify our collective contribution to a sustainable cycle of life. This vision is not a distant dream, but an achievable reality through our collective action and commitment. Every small step is indeed a giant leap for mankind as we illuminate the path to sustainability, securing our legacy for a brighter, greener tomorrow.
Thank you for viewing this video, and we hope you enjoyed this. Do give us some support by liking and sharing this video. Stay tuned for future updates. Happy microlearning! Thank you for viewing this video, and we hope you enjoyed this. Do give us some support by liking and sharing this video. Stay tuned for future updates. Happy microlearning!